Crescent Blade!
Cloud Access! Lunar Q, Saber Mode!
Surprised to see me, Merrick?
This is impossible. I broke your curse. I have to fight him alone. This is my fight, not yours.
After 3,000 years together, you think you can escape me?
But I broke the mask.
Yes, and we were ripped apart.
But
I'm no longer dependent upon another to exist. You got your freedom, but my spirit was also released. Now I'm free to do as I please.
you no longer need a host to live in this world. What do you want from me?
Your spirit and mine were entwined together for centuries. You chose to destroy that bond to separate us. I was discarded, cast aside, rejected. But now I've come to take you back. Together we will be unbeatable.
I will never ally with you again.
You have no choice.
No!
Crescent Wave! Cannot run from your past. You have grown too weak. Your time has come.
I won't give in!
Now you will pay for your betrayal! I told you you couldn't run from your past. Now we will be one again.
All right, let's do it. Cloud Access! Now you've got all of us to worry about.
Fine, then I'll destroy you all. Crescent Wave! Where did they go?
Up here! Zen-Aku! Break mode! Laser pull! Yeah! Lunar break! You're finished! It's over!
You haven't even seen a fraction of the power I now possess.
Wolf sword!
They are useless now.
Wolf, hammerhead, alligator! I know you want to vanquish Zen-Aku, but my friends have shown me we have to work together! Wild Zords, combine!
Merrick needs our help. Let's do it! Wild Swords! Descend! Wild Swords, combine!
I'm warning you, Rangers. Stay out of this.
Not a chance! Danny, show them what we've got!
Right!
Final strike!
Nice try.
Impossible!
How could he do that?
Now you see, I can't be beaten.
He can't do this! There's gotta be a way! Huh.
You just don't learn, do you?
Gator Staff, break mode!
My horn! You cut off my horn!
Your history, Zen-Aku!